Hello guys, welcome to the channel Guide and Ride. Today's video is a bit informative and a bit healthcare related product review, setup and how to use guide. Due to this pandemic situation throughout the world, we need to take care of ourselves as well as our society also. So our product today is pulse oximeter, through which you can easily measure the blood oxygen saturation level in your body, which is called SpO2 percentage in medical term. Apart from that, you can measure PPR, PI means pulse index, pulse rate, heart rate, etc. etc. So do not waste any more time. Let's straight get to the unboxing and setup guide. Guys, as I said you before, this is the box of Surge Plus fingertip pulse oximeter, and in the box pack you will be getting this pack, and apart from that, two AAA plus batteries. So let's check out the box first. And here it's clearly mentioned that it is going to be record your SpO2 percentage plus BPM PR, means your pulse rate as well as. So this side of the box, it's the MRP is written over here 2850, but I will give you the link in the description below from where I got this product. So these are having a few features. Number one button operation, 2 power modes automatically switch, 3 measure parameters, that is SpO2 means blood oxygen saturation level, pulse rate, and PI means pulse index, 6 display interfaces, 8 seconds automatic power off means it is having power saver mode also, low battery indicator. And here are some technical specifications of this pack. So let's unpack the box. The box you'll find a user manual, a proper user manual of pulse oximeter where the details are clearly mentioned, and you'll be getting one pulse oximeter machine. So you can see here, this is the power on off and modes control function or control button. This is the color TFT display. Push is written over here just because you can push this and insert your finger. Apart from this, this is the battery holder. Okay, so let's start the device. The device, we need to insert the battery as displayed over here. So plus, and here it will be minus first. So shut down the lid of the device, and now it's ready to use. So what I have to do first, I need to turn it on. See, the display is turned on and showing all the details. Now what you have to do, you just need to push the device back, insert your finger here and clip out the device. See, it's calculating your pulse rate as well as body oxygen. So just a moment. Yeah, so your SpO2 is 98, pulse rate is continuously monitoring, that's why this thing is going up and down, and the graphs are also continuing. So pulse rate is 108, which is obviously fluctuating, and pulse index is 6.9%, 7%, it's also fluctuating. So now let me tell you a few functions. Like when you are going to out your finger from this device, it will show you finger out, and just wait for 8 seconds and it will automatically turn off. Yeah, so now if you want to again turn it on, you just need to push a single time oximeter. Yeah, and if you check the operations, you need to long press the button. See what are written over here: alarm as well as pulse beep, SpO2 low is 94, PR high is 130, PR low is 50. Restore, if your device is having any problem showing the actual digit, you can restore it, and the exit button. So if you want to exit, you just need to long press the button and it will come to the previous interface. So, and you can find a heart rate monitoring sensor over here which is blinking red. So guys, if you are liking this video, do subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and you can share the video as well as. Thank you.